Hi everyone. I wanted to show you how to make a Star Student slideshow, and I will share it to Google Classroom. But this is kind of what it looks like. And by the way, you can record over your slideshow the same way that I am doing right now by using something called screencast-o-matic. Just type it into Google, and when you open it up, you can log in with Google, and then you can record videos and share your screen for free. So it's really easy to use. It will pop up and it'll ask to use your microphone in your video, and you just click yes, and then it'll show you your computer screen, and you can click on your screen and then click share, and that's how you will get it to look somewhat like this. So anyways, going into the Star Student, when it is your turn, you can make a slideshow, and I'll go through different parts. The first part is going to be your title page. And then just like on our Star Student board, we have information. So I'm going to go through my all about me. I am 28 years old. My birthday is August 14th, 1991. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher, a librarian, and a coder. My best friends are Ms. Salkowski, Mrs. Turco from school, and Mrs. Butler. My favorite subject is science. My favorite song is Truly Madly Deeply by Savage Garden. It's really old. My favorite food, ribs, and my favorite color is green. So the next slide will be pictures. So you can add pictures here by clicking on that image and uploading from your computer or getting them from the web, whatever pictures you want to share that tell about you. And then you can also add captions down here at the bottom. So this first picture is me at my older sister's wedding. I was a bridesmaid. And the second picture is me with my best friend, Jenna, who is actually Mrs. Salkowski, and she teaches second grade at Adams Elementary. So this next slide, this first picture is me and my nephew Devin at one of his flag football games. I think it was in the summer or just earlier this year. This middle picture was Christmas time last year. So these are all 6 of my nieces and nephews. This is Kennedy, Devin, Aaliyah, David, Kiernan, and Sophia. And this picture is of me and my twin sister, Shannon. This one's me, and this one's Shannon. This page is all about my friends. So this first picture is my friend Sean, who actually passed away last year, and we miss him very much. This middle picture, this is Sean and Mark and Tez, and this was Christmas Eve a couple years ago, and we went out to brunch. And this last picture is my boyfriend Mark and I at my friend's wedding. So the final page that you'll have is a letter from home. I didn't have anyone type me up a letter, but just like we do in the classroom, you can have your grown-up or sibling or anyone who's at home with you write you a friendly letter about why you are a Star Student. And that's it. When you finish, you can submit it to me, or like I said, you can use this screencast-o-matic to record a video and then share it with me. And